Hello guys, look at my nails. Ooh, the cuticles, the dead skin. And I have an event tomorrow. So guys, I have to fix these as fast as possible. The dry heel, the dead skin. Look at that. My feet are in a mess. So I decided to remove the cuticles that were being seen. But in the process, guys, can you see the cuticle so hard and it's looking so bad? But in the process, guys, my cuticle remover just broke. I decided to even fix it, but it was not helping. So I had to come up with a plan B, which I decided to literally marinate my feet. So I used baking soda. It always comes through for me. And then I added coconut oil, then honey. Then I mixed all that to make a paste. So these will act as my feet marination for now, because I want the cuticles and the dead skin to come out very fast. Then I added some essential oil and mixed everything. I dipped my legs for some few minutes in water, plain water, then applied my marination paste. Then after applying, I'm wrapping it with this paper. Hey, today I'm not lucky, the paper is getting torn out and all that, but we move. So I wrap my feet, so this to ensure that the paste that I've just added, it ensures that the dead skin and the cuticles will be able to come out very fast, at the same time just softening the skin. So I'm also lapping my left leg. And before that, I'm applying my marination paste. Then I lap it. At least I had mastered how to use this paper, and now it was not giving me a hectic. Guys, it's work. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like and you share. Let me know in the comment section, if you are me, what could you have done, and you have an event that you should wear open the following day. Actually, right now it's 9 p.m. and the event starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. So after like 10 minutes, I unwrapped, then dipped my legs inside water. This water is warm water. And then I'm going to use a bar soap to wash my legs. Remember, the paste contains some oil and therefore I have to remove it with a soap. Then I'm using my soft brush. We all know this brush if you have been here. Yeah, so I'm using that soft brush to clean my nails. Right now I know the dead skin is very soft. At the same time, I know the cuticles, the cuticles need some pressure, but not today, maybe the next time, even removing the polish, because I could not have gotten enough time to remove this polish and fix it right now. And guys, then I wash off, and then the heel will remove the dead skin that it had. Like, it's becoming so easy because of the marination. Yeah, even can you see that I can even be able to remove it using my nails, literally, because it has really softened. The dead skin have really softened. Guys, at least I can see some improvement, and now I feel I'll be feeling like a baddie going to this event, and I can't really wait to wear my open shoes. So guys, this one is a good hack, and especially when you are in a hurry. Then guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. As we scrub the heels, we have to scrub them to get rid of those dead skin. Then I rinse them off, then dry. I'm using my towel to dry, and even in between my toes. Then I'm applying a Vaseline. I mix it with coconut oil, then a lanolin. Like, guys, I want magic to happen overnight, and therefore I'm doing the most. Then I apply, but even with all that, you can see there is some changes. Things are not the way we started, and we are happy for that. Yeah, and tomorrow we will be buddies. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, improvement. And guys, this is the following day morning. I'm heading out for my event, and can you see that? Looking so good, and I love the result. I'm happy that I tried to fix the mess yesterday. So bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment, let me know what you think of this video, and like and share. Bye bye.